have this physics 9th standard final master worksheet, as tomorrow there is physics paper. Let us look at our question number 1 from section A. This is MCQ and we have it for 15 minutes. Let us look at the first one. What does the cyclist do? He does not come immediately to rest after he stops paddling, because something must be keeping the cycle in motion. What is it? Inertia.
Inertia.
Correct. Yeah.
They've given the same option twice.
Inertia of rest. Yeah, correct. So we'll have to put B and C both. Now what else? If there's mistake, say B as well as C you'll have to write. Because now you have to safeguard your interest, no? This is teacher's mistake, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
That is why. Read.
The gravitation, the force of attraction between two bodies at a distance x is 20 Newton. What will be the force of attraction between them if the distance between them is made 2x?
You know how to do this, right? Case 1 and case 2. So your F1 is equal to 20 Newton. What will be F2 if the distance D1 is equal to D, and this becomes D2 will be equal to 2x. Oops, this you have to write here x. Okay, because they've given it as x distance and here 2x distance. Then what you have to know, force is inversely proportional to d square. Therefore you will use F1 upon F2 equal to d2 square upon d1 square, and then we will solve that. So I'm not solving everything, I'm just discussing it. Tell me, which one not a vector quantity? The one which will have only magnitude means this. Observe two circuits. 4 bulbs. Connected wires, batteries are identical. In which of them the resistance is the least? The resistance is the least.
Ma'am, it should be circuit B, right?
In circuit B. Now the thing is that this part is not directly in your syllabus. I want you to see that these two bulbs are connected like this. So A is actually series circuit, and in B the bulbs are connected like this.
In parallel.
So they are in parallel. Now in parallel the resistance is minimum, it decreases, and in series resistance increases. So least means it will be parallel, means it will be
circuit B.
This was actually an ammeter and voltmeter, because we have said over there that ammeter always connected in series and voltmeter always connected in parallel, and then little bit was mentioned about series and parallel. So that's how. What is the freely suspended magnet going to rest in?
Direction.
Correct. So which one it is? Will it be geographic north-south or magnetic north-south? Geographic. Okay. In a scalar quantity, which is the scalar quantity? Which one? Current.
Non-current.
Then read this.
PQ and RS are two plane mirrors kept parallel to each other. A light ray AB, after reflection from mirror PQ, reaches mirror RS and gets reflected by ray CD. If angle PBA is equal to 30 degrees, then what is the measure of angle BCD? This is 30 degrees, correct? They are saying. So if this is 30, then this is going to be 60. So this will be 60, so this will be 30. Okay, then here we have this way alternate angle, so this will be 30. They are asking for BCD. BCD. So this will be 60, this will be 60, this will be 30. BCD will be 120. Next. The strength of magnetic field in a bar magnet is maximum at the poles, correct? At the poles. Yes, and minimum at the center part, correct? Then this also is easy. Tell me, plane mirror 60 degrees means it will be 360 upon 6 minus 1, correct? Yes, ma'am. So 5. This The acceleration produced in an object by a force of given magnitude depends on size of object, mass of object, shape of object.
Now here for this, force and acceleration, and they are telling you
Ma'am, it means it should be mass.
It is your relation between F and A is F is equal to ma, correct?
Yes,
and they are saying that if it's a given magnitude, so you'll have acceleration equal to force upon mass, and
Yes,
force is a constant quantity, therefore A will be proportional to 1 upon m. A is equal to F upon m. This is constant. If this is constant quantity, then this one will be varying. If it varies, then acceleration depends on this, because this is constant. Inversely proportional to what? Mass. Where is it? That is your B option. How is this? At a distance 15 centimeters in front, focal length, this image is formed. You have to use the formula 1 upon F is equal to
1 upon V minus 1 upon U.
Have you said the correct formula, or are you confused?
Correct formula.
Is it plus or minus?
A minus.
Very good. Focal length is what for the convex mirror? Convex mirror will be like this. Correct? So this is the ray which will get reflected this way. Okay, the focal length is here on the positive side. So it will be positive 10 is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. U will always be here this side. That will be on the negative side. So it will be minus 15.
Minus 15.
So 1 upon V will be equal to 1 upon 10. This goes that side. So how much is it? 30 is the LCM. 3 minus 2. So 1 upon 30. So it will be 30 centimeters where?
In front of the mirror.
Have I done it correct? What is the option?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
within focal length between.
Ma'am, you've drawn ma'am, it's given convex mirror, but you've drawn a concave mirror.
This is not concave mirror.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
This is convex mirror. Is correct what I drew?
Yes.
So, what have I done? Focal length is here, is positive, is correct. This is negative, is correct. So, this will be plus. It goes that side, it will be minus. So, 10 3 is 30 and 15 2 is 30. 1 upon 30. So, why am I getting this? Check your formula. Did you give me the correct formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Your formula is wrong, no?
I'm checking, ma'am. Just a minute. Yes, ma'am, it's wrong.
Correct. See, now I said I give you benefit of doubt. Now let us say you made a mistake like this in the exam. I knew you were wrong, but I followed this up so that you will understand how to catch yourself. Understood? See,
yes,
the ray has got reflected like this. It is passing through this. This point is what? Principal focus, correct? The second ray will be directed at the radius of curvature this way. So where the two rays will appear to be meeting, it will be between P and F, correct? That means this distance is 10 centimeter, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So within 10 centimeter means this should be the case. What are you getting? Yes. So you can double check like this. Understood? Now, when you told me, you were very confident about it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how to catch yourself? That's why I told you double check. Now, you are an intelligent child. So, I want you to make sure that you catch yourself. So, double check, double check. How can it be so far here, this side? And you see 30 centimeters, it would be this side, correct? That means your formula was wrong. correct?
Wrong.
Yeah,
Yes.
so this would be like this, so it would be like this, so it would be, can you see that?
6.
So what is it? Understanding?
6. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so this is how you have to check. Now the thing is that I know that it is very easy to get confused between plus and minus. What formula you told me now is for 10 standard lenses when we talk about. But for the mirrors, it is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. Okay?
Yes.
And for lenses, it is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Okay, so I knew that this thing, but I followed it up. I played your game. But then you see, we understood there was something wrong. So double checking, you understood that we had made a mistake here. All right, so understand that if you are checking and double checking, you will be able to get your full marks because you know everything. Okay, everything we have done so well. So always double check. Now,
Yes.
magnetic field lines.
I'm diverging at the North Pole.
Diverging at the North Pole. They will start from North Pole, so yes.
It is true.
Yeah, just check the other options. Very good. What about this? It reaches in 4 seconds. The height of the tower is. So initial velocity is 0. Okay, and the time is 4 seconds. And
4 seconds.
G is equal to, either we will take 10 meter per second or I can take 9.8 also. So the height is S is equal to ut plus half at square, correct? So this term will be 0 plus it will be half, and acceleration, if I take, shall I take 9.8? Let me just check. 9.8 means 98 upon 10 and into 4 into 4. So 2 goes twice. So the height is 98 into 8. Okay, if it is 4 seconds upon 10, है ना? So if I had to take 10, it will be 98. None of the options are here. From the top of the tower reaches the ground in 4 seconds. Height of the tower is G.
Ma'am, we should take G as 10 meters per second because we are getting a decimal value here.
So let us substitute here as half into 10 into 8, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Into, sorry, not 8 ray, 4 into 4 ray. 2 ones and 2 twos. So it will come now 80.
Yes.
Yeah, so if we took 9.8, then we are getting a fraction, so it will be 80.
80.
Current, what is this? I is equal to Q upon T.
I is equal to Q by T.
The Q will be equal to IT. IT means 1.5 into 3. 4.5
Coulomb.
Okay, so not an issue. Good conductors offer less resistance is true. Good conductors have lower concentration of electrons. Now this one is true.
Ma'am, but the second
and the good conductors will have higher concentration of electrons, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you know which option? Which option?
D option is true.
Correct. So it's not a big deal. Now see here, is a strong magnet. Which one?
Electromagnet.
Correct. Then this one, image is real inverted, and now look at this. What are they saying? Object 40 centimeter, focal length this. That means it is at radius of curvature, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Radius curvature means same size it will be. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Physical quantity. Are you confused about where the image will be formed and all? A little bit, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so remember, for concave mirror only there is a problem. Convex mirror, what happens? This is the convex mirror. Convex mirror, if this is the focal length, your image is always between P and F and always upright and always virtual and always diminished. Correct? So the image distance will be always less than the focal length. Understood? Yes. So V will be always less than focal length. Okay, because it's always formed between pole and F, correct? But here, yes, this will be your focal length, this will be your radius of curvature. So if the object is at infinity, you will get image where? At the principal focus. If I bring it here, the image will be here, correct? Inverted, real, diminished, correct? Yes. If you bring it here, the image will be here. Real, inverted, and same size. If I bring the object here, the image will be here. What it will become? Real, inverted, and magnified. Magnified. So diminished, same size, magnified as we come here. Understood? Yes, ma'am. At focus, then I can't see the image because where is the image? At infinity. And if I bring it here, then where will I get the image? Here. Then I use it as the shaving mirror or makeup mirror. Understanding? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so this is how. Keep this in front of you like that. See, basically you have to just write one word here, na? Same size you have to write. But you can think like this. It will take maybe about 20 to 30 seconds, not more than that. Hai na? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Quantity SI unit is volt. Volt is PD, potential difference. Distance between adjacent crest. Adjacent crest is called as, adjacent crest means from one crest to another crest. Ma'am, it should be wavelength. Correct. Now pay attention to this. This is the crest and this is the crest, correct? Yes, ma'am. Distance between the two adjacent crests. But if they say distance between the crest and the adjacent trough, then it will be half of wavelength. Okay, remember that. Yes, ma'am. The fall from the height is an example of which gravitational force, right? Current of this voltmeter is this resistance. VIR, V is equal to IR by Ohm's law. Okay, so what is R equal to? I goes that side, V upon I. You can do it. That will be V is 2.7 upon 1.5. So if I take out the decimal, that's 3 nines and 3 fives. So 9 upon 5 means 1.8. Correct, 1.8 ohm. Pile of books is kept on the card and the cardboard is suddenly withdrawn. What happens to the pile? It falls down, no? Falls down. Ma'am, due to inertia of rest, the pile will fall down. Yeah, why? So what you will say, if we move the cardboard suddenly means with a jerk, the motion is not imparted to the books. The books continue in their state of rest. Continue to have inertia of rest. Okay, not state of rest, but you have to use the word inertia. Okay, and that is why they will fall down. Stone is dropped from top of a tower, takes 4 seconds to reach the ground. Calculate the velocity and the height of the tower. V is equal to U plus AT has velocity also. They are asking first the velocity. So initial velocity is 0. They are taking you take 10 as A, means a G, and into 4. So I'm getting 40. Are you also getting 40 meter per second? Yes, ma'am. Final velocity. And the height of the tower, S is equal to UT. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Correct. So we will have 0 plus half into 10 into 4 into 4. 10 into 4 into 4. How much is that? 10 into 8, which is 80. They repeated the values, hai na? Only thing is that, Don't write only S, you spell it out, the height. Don't say only V, say final velocity. Because the teachers can cut the marks. Please be very careful. You must learn to taste the full marks. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
No doing shortcuts or no writing untidily. Accelerate the body of 20 mass from here to here in 1/3 of a minute. What force? Now remember, your thinking step is F is equal to m into A. But you will have to find A. What is A? V minus U upon T, or you can say V is equal to U plus AT. So this will be 9 minus 1.5, and he has done it in how much time? Time is equal to 1/3 of a minute. So 1/3 into 60 seconds means 20 seconds, yes.
20 seconds tick.
So the numerator is 7.5 meter per second upon 20. So that is
3.375.
Correct,
0.375
absolutely. 0.375 meter per second square. Okay, then you will say F is equal to m is 20 kg multiplied by 375 upon 100. Correct, cancel the 0 2 1s 2 5s. So that will be divide by 5. 5 7s 35 and 5 5s. You're with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, object is at a distance 40 centimeters in front of a plane mirror. Plane mirror shifted. How are you with these questions?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, not very nice, no? Okay, okay. Now, see, the object is here. So I'm going to show here, this is object. All right? And I'm going to show the mirror. And I'm going to call that as M. Understanding? Call this point as O. This is your M. All right? 40 centimeters in front means from here to here is how much? 40 centimeter. Then the mirror shifted 5 centimeters away from the object. So this is the M dash. Understanding? Yes, how much is this?
5 centimeters. So total
very
distance
good. So the now from here to here is 45 centimeter. Just show this properly. Now they are saying find the new distance between the object and the image. So remember, initially this was O. So 40 centimeters over here. This would be the image, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And from here to here, that would be how much? 40 centimeters. Agreed? But yes, now the mirror has come here. So the image will be here 45.
45, yes.
And this is going to be your I dash. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
And from here to here, it is 45 meter. Okay, now they are saying the new distance. New distance between object and image is going to be between O and I dash, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is O to I dash, it means it is from here to here, correct? And here to here. So I'm writing that is OM dash plus M dash I. That will be 45 plus 45. How much is that?
90 centimeters.
So this is your answer A. The distance between the two positions of image. distance between two positions of image, which means it will be I dash, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I dash would be equal to OI dash minus OI, agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
OI dash we
Is
already found out
90
as 90 centimeter, minus what was OI,
40
it
plus
will
40.
be 40 plus 40. If you look at it this way, then you will see it is not so bad. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Just write it slowly, don't try to do mentally. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in the other case, you can now say if the mirror was moved towards the object by 50 centimeters, by 5 centimeters, then what will happen? Okay, you can play with it and find out how it will be.
Yes.
Graph depicts velocity time. If it is velocity time, means it's going to give you slope, means it will be acceleration, correct? But can you see initial velocity is 50 and final velocity is 0? So this will be retardation, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So mass has been given as 50 kg. Calculate the force acting on the body in 2 seconds. So acceleration in 2 seconds. Okay, we'll find that out. So tell me, what is the initial velocity? 50.
50.
Okay, and in 2 seconds, it has come to here. What is the velocity? So the acceleration is v minus u upon
T.
which will be
30 minus 50 by 2
hmm,
minus 20 by 2, which is equal to 10 meters per second.
minus.
10 meters per second square.
Okay, now they are telling you force. Therefore, force
Force is equal to ma.
in 2 seconds is equal to m into a. That will be 50 kg multiplied by minus 10 meter per second square. That will be minus 500 kg meter per, that means Newton, correct?
Newton. Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is the force. It will be minus force acting. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is, you can say, resistive force will be equal to minus into minus a, which will be a, which is 500 Newton. Okay, resistive force is this much. Understanding?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, we made a mistake in the acceleration part. The initial velocity 50 meters per second, and when it is coming to 30 meters. Oh, sorry, ma'am.
No, it has decreased, not the velocity.
Yes, ma'am.
So, see, this is retardation. He has applied brakes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So good, you're double checking, but then it's good that you're checking out whether you have made any mistake or no. Now this much. Okay. Now what conclusion is drawn regarding the magnetic field? If the point of the compass needle rests in any direction, that means not, that point is called as neutral point. Why? Because the
Then
two magnetic fields are in equal and opposite direction. So the net magnetic field will be zero, resultant. Okay. Person falling on the cement floor likely to get hurt more seriously. What you will say for the same change in momentum, that is to make the velocity come to zero. the time taken is very short when he falls on cemented floor, and then you will say
Yes.
F into delta T is equal to delta P, correct? So you will say, you write this and then you'll say that cement floor delta T very less, therefore magnitude of force large. Understanding? I'm writing it in short by this equation, correct? No?
Yes, ma'am.
On the other hand, if he is landing on the sand pit, then delta T is large and that will give less force, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And he will not get hurt. The same thing happens if there are some crystal articles. When they are packed in a box, they are kept in the bubble wrap and then they are put inside. Correct? What happens with the bubble wrap? In case of impact, the time interval is more and the force exerted on it is small, so the crystal does not break. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the direction of electric current? Now here they are not electronic, sorry. Electronic current will be
Ma'am, it is
from
in the direction of flow of
electrons, but you will say from lower potential to higher potential. Now state the function of rheostat voltmeter. Remember, I have told you all the questions on voltmeter, ammeter, how they are connected, differences between voltmeter and ammeter, correct? Hello? And also
Yes.
rheostat is variable. So what does it do? By decreasing the resistance, we increase the current in the circuit and vice versa. Okay? What is the limitation of Ohm's law? Physical conditions like temperature must remain constant. Can the weight of the body be zero? Of course, in space where there is no g, because what is weight? Weight is equal to m into g. Mass cannot be zero because body will cease to exist, no? But g can be zero. Where is g zero? In the outer space. Yeah, correct or no? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is good. Now I'm not going to solve each and every question. Mirrors used as reflector, learning type. All this you can learn on your own. Tell fast. Is it difficult? No. Current flowing through wire, resistance this connected to this. So they are saying V is equal to IR. Can you see that? V is equal to IR, current you have to find. So I will be equal to V upon R. This is R and this is V. Can do it? Yes. Then conductor carries 0.4 ampere. Find the electrons flowing through the cross section in 20 seconds. Now charge on one electron has been given. So you will say I is equal to Q upon T, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What are they saying? Number of electrons. So I is equal to N into E bar upon T, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So N will be equal to I into T upon E bar, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I is how much? 0.4. That means 4 upon 10. Time is 20 seconds. And this is 1.6. So 16 and 10 upar here into 10 to the power minus 19. This and this got cancelled. 4 ones, 4 fours. 4 ones, 4 fives. So what are we getting? 5 into 10 to the power 19. Those many electrons. Please don't write over the ampere whatever, okay? N is the number of electrons. This was a little irritating calculations, but wasn't so bad.
Yes, ma'am.
Give reasons. This again on a cloudy day done dry. Cloudy day and a dry day. Dry day will have density, this thing, density of dry day and cloudy day. Cloudy day will have humidity. Humidity means it will density will be less.
Less.
Okay.
Therefore, it will be easier for sound to
Density
travel, while in
less,
dry
so
day.
yeah, because the speed of sound is faster in humid air. Then it is advised to tie the luggage kept on the roof of the bus. Why would you tie this up? Because if the
Because if the
bus
bus takes,
suddenly starts, then the luggage will continue to be in the state of rest and it will fall backward. If the bus suddenly stops,
it will fall forward due to inertia of motion.
correct, it will continue to have its inertia of motion in forward direction and it will fall forward. Okay, so that is why it is better to tie. 3 points of difference. This is easy. State Newton's second law is easy learning. Work. How long would a force of 30 Newton act on a body so that the body initially at rest? Can you see they are saying force means F is equal to M into A. So point number one is acceleration you have to find. Acceleration is V minus U upon T, or you can use V is equal to what? U plus AT. Agreeable to you? So
Yes.
this will be initially at rest. So 24 minus 0, in how much time have they put? Oh dear me, where is
Now
it?
we have to find the time.
How long? Okay, T you have to find. Okay, so this is your A. Okay, so uh, you will have to use F equal to MA first. You know, force
Yes.
is given, no? 30 Newton. Yeah.
30 Newton
30 Newton is equal to 10 into
10
A.
into 24.
Uh-huh. No, Ray. Don't mix the two. Just put separately, and A is equal to 3 meter per second square, and then write over here 3 is equal to 24 upon T. So T is equal to 24 upon 3, which will be 8 seconds.
8 seconds.
Okay, so then you'll have to write the statement time equal to. Was that good?
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
us come to the next one. What is it?
An object at distance of 15 centimeter in front of convex mirror of radius of curvature.
Come on, tell me the formula. 1 upon F is
1
equal to 1 upon.
1 upon B plus 1 upon.
Very good. So now tell me, what is the radius of curvature is given? So R
Radius
is equal to 10 centimeter and it is convex, so it will be that side, so plus. है ना? So therefore focal length will be equal to
5 centimeter.
Show like this and please write plus 5 centimeter. Okay, so 1 upon 5 equal to 1 upon V. We have to find object is placed. So V and here plus 1 upon minus 15, correct? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 5 and this is minus, so goes there, it becomes plus. How much is that? 15 LCM 5 3's 1's 4 upon 15. So V is
15 by
so 4 3's 12 and 3/4 means 0.75 centimeter. What are they saying? What will be the 1 minute? Okay, focal length is this. We found the focal length. Okay. What will be the, where will be the image? 3.75 where? Behind mirror.
Mirror.
Behind the mirror. Don't say in front of. Find the magnification. What is magnification? Magnification is I upon O, which is equal to minus U upon V, V upon U or plus V upon U.
Minus V by U.
Double checked?
Yes.
Have you made a mistake? Double check. Because once we made a mistake, now I want you to make sure there is no mistake.
Yes, ma'am, sure. Minus V by U.
Minus V upon U is correct. So you put minus over here. Alright. Now tell me, minus, what is the value of V? 15 upon 4. Correct? And you're dividing by U. What is the value of U? 15. That will be what? Minus 15. Correct?
Yes.
So minus and minus got cancelled. 15 and 15 got cancelled.
1/4.
Huh. Now magnification, if you write 1/4, you will get a 0. In physics, your answer must be in decimal point.
Yes.
Okay. What will be the nature of image? Now
Image
it is convex, so it will be virtual, diminished, and upright.
Upright.
Correct? And
Yes.
between F and P, 3 factors.
Ma'am, area of cross section, temperature, and material.
Length is the first one. Don't use material as the first point or third point. The length, resistance directly proportional to length, inversely proportional to area of cross section, directly proportional to temperature. If you want, you can remember lat, R lat. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then material, because then you'll have to talk about some material has more free electrons, the others do not have, and it becomes a little longer answer.
Yes.
One end of the spring is kept fixed and this is pulled like that. So the restoring force will be like this. Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
Draw the diagram. Okay, so now this is the force and this is the restoring force, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so restoring force. You can write over the restoring force. Name one instrument that works on the above principle. Spring balance.
Yes, ma'am. Spring balance.
So this is, I mean, you have to just be careful, that's it. Copy and complete the diagram. Is it doable? Characteristics of the image, yes. Now
Yes.
you tell me, where is the object beyond C?
Beyond
So
C.
when the object is at infinity, image will be here. So now it will be somewhere here. Nature of the image will be real, inverted, diminished, and between F and C.
F and C.
Now the body, no, boy fires a gun and another boy at a distance hears the sound 2.5 after seeing the flash. The speed of the sound in air, this thing, what is the distance between the boys?
Ma'am, we can use Vt is equal to lambda. Vt is equal to distance.
Correct. So distance is equal to V into T because V is equal to D upon T. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So when he sees 2.5 seconds after seeing the flash, means instantly he has seen the flash, and then the time taken to travel by the sound is 2.5 seconds. Agreed? And the speed is what? 340 meter per second. Understanding? So this into this. You can do it. Property of...
Ma'am, this question is from the textbook, ma'am.
So good. So do the textbook thoroughly, because then you'll be able to apply for any other unknown situations that you could be asked. Yes, and we have done so many papers by now, correct or no? How many school papers we have done by now?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have got plenty of practice. One property of ultrasound, due to which it is used in, what is the property of ultrasound?
Ma'am, it carries high amount of energy.
That's it, that is written in the textbook.
1 minute, I'll just see.
Have they mentioned it can be confined in a narrow beam, can go undeviated long distances?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Is very high, and because it does not bend appreciably, as
it does not bend means it travels long distances.
Yes, ma'am.
And doesn't get absorbed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so those ones are, now they are telling one property, so find one property. Give the application of ultrasound in medical, ultrasonography, or echocardiology, echocardiography. What is the difference between ultrasonic and supersonic sound? We have done this, correct? It is pertaining to the ultrasound, means it is frequency, supersonic means faster than the speed of sound in air. Okay, now here, what did we say about the electromagnet? This, the current is going from positive, it is going this way and coming this way. Can you see that? Now if you look at it from this, it is going this way, means it is going from 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock and then 9 o'clock. Yes, anti-clockwise means this is north polarity. And if we look at it this way, it will go this way, means 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So this will be south. So when you write polarity at B, you will write south. Don't write only S. For writing only one letter, you cannot get 1 mark. Two ways of increasing of the magnetic field: increasing the number of turns if there are more number of turns, and increasing the current. Okay, so you can add some more. Now sometimes what they will say, if the number of turns is doubled, then what you will say, magnetic field will be doubled. Okay, if they say they added 2 more cells here, that means 3 times the supply they are getting, correct or no? So the magnetic field will be tripled. Understanding? Yes, ma'am. If this is 3 times and if the number of turns is doubled, because of this it will become 3 times, and because of doubling it will become twice. So total it will 6 times. Did you understand? Yes. What I did? Yes, ma'am. What will happen? The iron bar is replaced by steel. It will become permanent magnet. Yes, ma'am. Why will it become permanent magnet? Steel bar has high magnetic retentivity. So it retains the magnetism. So it becomes a permanent magnet. Because of but iron bar has low magnetic retentivity. So it becomes a better temporary magnet. Okay, have we finished the paper? Not yet. It is vertically upwards, so goes up to the height. So height is 20 meter, then returns to ground. G is given as 10 meter per second. And then for the upward motion, remember V will be equal to 0. Yes, ma'am. Understanding? Okay. Yes, it is moving upwards. Find the initial velocity. So what will you say? Initial velocity, we have S and S, distance is there. This initial velocity we have to find. So the upward motion initial velocity is to be found out, correct? So V, U, A and S means I'll use V square minus U square equal to 2AS. You can either write like this, or you can say V square is equal to U square minus 2AS. Agreeable to you? Yes, ma'am. So 0 square minus U square is equal to 2 into, they told to take 10 into S. Okay, so 10 into S, 20, no? Yes. 20 meters. Okay, so we have 400. 1 minute. What did I do? I heard one ting tong. But this will be minus, no? It's upward, right? Yes, ma'am. So minus U square will be equal to minus 400. So minus U square will be equal 400. To 400. So U will be equal to 20 meter per second. Agreeable to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is your, then we write over here, this is initial velocity. Final velocity on reaching the ground. So it has gone here. So this is your 20 meter per second. And here it will be, this was u and this was v0 meter per second. Now for the downward journey, upward motion we have said, now you will say downward motion. Okay, downward motion, what will you say? Will have initial velocity as 0, correct? Downward motion means initial velocity will be 0 and they are saying final velocity will be how much? Now the distance is still going to be 20 meter only and g is going to be equal to plus 10 meter per second square. So you will do the same thing and you will get 20. Okay, v will be equal to positive 20 meter per second. Understanding? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
you will write as, find the total time of the journey. What is the total time of the journey? Your t1 plus t2, both of them will be equal, right? Here we have not taken time, no? So you have to say upward journey. Did we find out the upward journey time? No.
No.
So for the upward journey, v is equal to u plus at, correct? So v is equal to 0 equal to minus 20 minus 10 into t. This will be t1. Okay? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute. Why did I put minus here? It is plus
No,
only.
it should be plus. Yeah.
Okay, so 10 t1 is equal to 20. So t1 is equal to 2 seconds. Then
Yes.
you will do just, you don't say that t1 equal to t2, although it is the correct thing. After this you will write the downward journey and you will write exactly the same thing. Okay, so you will have 20 will be equal to 0. Downward is coming down, no? So plus it will be what? Plus 10 and t2. So can you see again t2 comes out to be 2 seconds. Then the total time will be t1 plus t2. Okay, so done that. What is this now? Calculate the wavelength. What is the wavelength? From here to here is the wavelength. How much is it? 20 centimeter. Can you see that? 20 centimeter. What is the amplitude from here to here? How much it is? 4 watt. Correct?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now how much is the wave velocity? They have given you the frequency here. So V is equal to F lambda. So that is 50 multiplied by 20. Now when you write 20, it is centimeter. So you have to make it into meter. Doable?
Yes, ma'am.
How much it is?
10 meter.
Unit nahi dalega problem. Okay, you must write the unit. Then what are they saying? Simple dry cell using following components. Can you do this? Can you do this? Can you do this? Can you do this?
Yes.
Do you know that a cell will have a longer side means positive, this is negative. You have to show this, the key, and then show the ammeter connected in series. Then we have the resistance and we'll have to show the voltmeter connected in parallel with the resistance. And then here your teachers will ask you to show the rheostat. Okay, so you label this as rheostat. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this is positive, so this is positive, this is negative. This part is...
But they haven't asked for a rheostat.
No, it goes by default. A simple circuit, let it be, doesn't matter, nobody will cut your marks with that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, The key, ammeter, resistance, rheostat is the package deal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then this one is positive because this is connected to the positive. This is like that, so this is negative. For resistance, this is positive, this is negative. Understanding. Two
Yes.
advantages of secondary over primary cell learning type of question. Then object in front of concave mirror, radius this. So radius of curvature means focal length is how much? 26 upon 2. I'm skipping the steps, only discussing. And plus it's a concave mirror. Concave mirror means it is like this, so the ray will come this way, so the focal length will be negative. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
And the object distance u is going to be in front, means it will be minus 15 centimeter. Find the position of the image. Tell me once again the formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon
1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u.
Now you understood after making that mistake, no, in the beginning.
Yes,
Yeah, no, it happens. It can be confusing if you are learning the lenses also same time. Magnetic field lines of the bar magnet when north pole facing the geographic north. Learning type, remember I told you what? NS, NS, NS and NNSS EW, correct?
Yes.
Do you remember that? The mnemonic I have told you.
NS, NS, NS.
And then NNSS EW.
EW.
Okay, so these are for the neutral points that are there. So learn it up. Then let us come to the last one. 490 meter is the height. 2 seconds later, he throws another stone after the first. The both hit the ground at the same time. At what speed did he throw the second stone? So, the first stone. Now, this is, they have kept as the last one. So, this is a little application question. So, we have case 1. We have S is equal to 490 meter. They are telling you take G as 9.8 meter per second square. And then the first stone is thrown. Boy, a boy on the cliff drops the stone. He dropped it means initial velocity was 0 meter per second. Do you agree with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now they are saying they both hit the ground at the same time. So the time t1 is, let us say it is t, which is also again equal to t2. Agreeable to you? Now s is equal to ut plus half at square. 80 square means I'm writing gt square. So 490 is equal to 0 into t is 0 plus half into g is 98 upon 10, and we do not know t, but we know that it is the same time as the second case. Here 2 will go 49 times. So 490 multiplied by 10 upon 49 is equal to t square. Agreeable to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So t is equal to root of 100, which means t1 is equal to 10 seconds, correct? Now for the second stone, yes, t2 is equal to t1, which is 10 seconds, correct? The height is still 490 meter per second. Sorry, it's the height, no? Meter. All right. G is still 9.8 meter per second square. And they are saying with what speed means initial velocity, how much was it? So can you see S is equal to ut plus half at square? Can you see that? So I will say S is equal to UT2 plus half AT2 square. Agreed? Yes, so 490 is equal to U into 10 plus half into A is 98 upon 10 into 10 into 10, correct? Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, um, ma'am, this will be wrong, ma'am. T2 should be 8, ma'am. Oh yeah. 2 seconds later. 2 seconds later, so it should be 8. Oh, sorry. Made a mistake. T2 is what? 2 seconds later. Oh no. 8 seconds. That's why I said 490 getting
Yes,
cancelled,
ma'am.
and I said that something is wrong. Correct or no? See, that's
Yes.
how we have to catch ourselves. Okay. So this time I made a mistake. See. So this is T2 means this is 8. Did you see plastic surgery? Yes, ma'am. Very good. Now can you see 8 and 8 and this cancelled. Okay. So 2 goes 49 times. Uh, 2 goes 5 times here and 2 goes here 4 times. Correct? Yes, ma'am. So this is 8u plus this is 49 into 32. I don't want to multiply by 32. So 49 into 4 will be 98 into 2. So 196 it is. 4 9 36, yeah. 196 into 8. 2 5s, 2 4s and 8. 8 6 48 4. 8 9 72 76. 8 ones 8 and 7 15. 1568 upon 5. Okay, so 8u will be equal to 490 minus this is 5 3s 15, 5 1s 5 and 5 3s 15.6. Have I made a mistake? 5 3s 15, 5 1s 5 3 is 15 and 3/5 means 0.6. No mistake. Yes, ma'am. No mistake. So 490, because the silliest mistakes we make like this only. The easier the topic, more will be the silly mistakes. So 9 minus 3 will be 6. This is 9. So this is 8. So 7 and 1. So 176.4 upon 8 is 8 twos 16. 8 twos 16. Correct? 0.05. And 0.5. Now 4 upon 8 means what? 0.05. 0.05, no? Yes, ma'am. 0.5. 22.5. 8 to 16 and 0.05. 0.05 meter per second. Okay, so this was a little irritating, and this we have to be careful about. 2 seconds later he had dropped. So we finished all the questions and we have taken just about 1.25 hours, but we understood this, right? It's yes. So good practice for us, right? So all the best for tomorrow. Bye.